Hello and welcome to the DIY obstacle course. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Surrey. Nice to see some past contenders on the stands as well as some newcomers. I think I can see Shrub Bug, and is that a Cortec tiny four-wheel drive I see? Well, I'm hearing in my ear that things are hotting up, so we better get over to the starting line.
Go.
And it's lights out and away we go. Rushing out of the arena and up towards Mario Brothers Corner, then down the ramp to backdoor crossover. Onto the grass. Good job someone cut it yesterday. Then under the first checkpoint. Past the stand. Then onto the Sortimo of abandoned projects sponsored by Pimoroni, Adafruit and Redboard. Through the last minute recycled objects checkpoint. And then on to the sand trap. Looks like he might be in a bit of trouble there. Then past our special guest Fritz and back towards the house. Up the ramp and into the kitchen, skillfully avoiding the washing up. A quick dash into the hall. Then the final obstacle, crashing through the 3D prints in an explosion of... oh wait. But you'll probably get